All right, today let's learn a little bit about the cypress essential oil and some of the popular uses and benefits of the oil. Sorry, I have a kind of a frog in my throat here. But I do want to talk about cypress essential oil is commonly used aromatically and topically because it promotes vitality and it boosts energetic feelings. So it is just really a great aromatic and topical oil. Now, cypress does have monoterpenes. They have alpha pinene, which is known for relaxation, and then they have a carine, I think is how you say it, CARENE, and it's known for its cleansing benefits. So because it has monoterpenes in it, it helps improve the appearance of oily skin. So it's great to be adding to your toner. I know doTERRA's Virage toner already has cypress in it. So that is a great way to actually improve the conditions of your skin. You can also apply it topically, allowing giving your body an energizing lift. So a lot of runners like to use it topically on their feet or on their legs before they go on a long run. It just kind of refreshes you and gives you some added energy boost so that you can get out the door. Now, it is great to diffuse because it has an uplifting and renewing and very grounding fragrance. So combining it with oils like lime and cypress smell really, really good in. Or if you're an outdoor lover, you can combine it with white fir and with cedar wood, and then you'll get that beautiful woodsy outdoorsy smell as well. Now, because it has a rejuvenating aroma and because of the skin benefits of cypress oil, it is commonly used in spas and by massage therapists. So here's some fun facts. Did you know that there are 944 published studies of the benefits of L-pinene, and that's one of those chemical constituents that are present in cypress. And that's just amazing, 944. Now, it does blend really well with oils like cypress, balance, tea tree oil, breathe, and jasmine. doTERRA does distill and grow it from Morocco and France, and you'll actually find a lot of cypress trees used as decoration or landscaping in cemeteries. And it's just known that it gives a visual, or it's a symbol of hope and healing, and helps with that mourning process. So that might be another oil that you want to grab out when you need or you're experiencing those feelings, because that could aid in that, help you go through that. Now, it does take 5.1 pounds of plant material to make a 15 ml bottle of cypress. And my last thing about cypress I want to share with you is if you go and Google and get the Starry Night by Van Gogh, Vincent van Gogh, his masterpiece, you can actually see a pair of cypress trees in the front of that nighttime scene. So it's kind of really cool. They've got it in there. It's in that. Grab your cypress oil out, use it. Let me know how it works for you, and keep oiling, my friends.